babies, it's your girl Queen, and I'm back with another hair video. Okay, so y'all already know my channel is basically consists of hair videos. Okay, so today I'm working with Dsoar hair. Okay, so I'm about to be water down this hair. Let me get my colors out. Okay, boo, let me get my colors out. Okay, so I got orange blaze. I got 3 bottles, of course. I got 2 orange blaze, and I got 1 truly red, which I'm gonna dip. Which I'm only gonna dip that truly red just a little bit so we can get like a burnt orange color. Okay, so the Dsoar sent over. The Dsoar sent over 22 inches. 22 inches. 20 inches and a 20-inch front, a 20-inch closure. They also sent over lashes, and I got a new bonnet. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna be doing is making this. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna be doing is making it into a wig. Probably not gonna show my wig process on camera, but I do have to make 2 videos, so y'all just gotta stay tuned for the second video. Basically, it's probably gonna be like a I don't know. Y'all gonna see. Maybe an install, then the next video maybe a styling video. I don't know. But yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 10K. We're literally almost there. We only need a few more, then you know we're gonna be at 10K. So make sure y'all tell everybody to subscribe to your girl beauty channel. Okay, if y'all want to see like her videos and all the extra stuff. So all the details about this hair will be listed down below in the comments, okay? Not in the comments, but in the description box, in case you guys want to get this 613 Dsoar hair. So I'm about to go set up in the kitchen, get my bucket together, get my water and everything together, and I'll meet y'all in the kitchen. Alright, you guys, so I got my bucket. I got my bucket right here. And I got my 3 cups. I need some gloves. I need some cotton. Okay, so I got my bucket right here, and I got my 3 colors. So I'm about to fill my bucket up with hot water. So you're gonna need hot water. You can use hot water or cool water. I don't know how to do this so long. So I'm using hot water as I always use hot water. Okay, let my hot water warm up. So now that the hot water is warm, we working. You can let us tap. I'm gonna do this in the sink. I'm gonna do everything in the sink. Sorry, y'all ain't gonna be able to see, but I'm trying to get some footage for y'all. So I'm gonna do this in the sink because I don't want to stain my camera. Alright you guys, so I finished the wig from Dsoar hair. This is 22 inches of body wave hair. I got a curly back. Yes, I glued it and I put an elastic band because the wig was kind of big. So what we gonna do is we gonna get her straight. We're gonna get it bone straight. And we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out, okay? Alright, so make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 of this hair video. I'm gonna curl this hair and we're gonna be back.